Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Ticket Tool on Discord. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open your browser and go to tickettool.xyz. Once you're on the website, click on the dashboard option. From here, click Login with Discord and sign in using your Discord account. After logging in, click Authorize to allow access. Once that's done, here, choose the server in which you want to add this bot. Click the Invite button and wait for a little bit. Again, choose the server and then click Continue, review the permissions, and then click Authorize again. Now, complete the CAPTCHA. When you see the success message, go back to your Discord server and open the member list to confirm that Ticket Tool has been added successfully. Next, go to top left and click on your server name. Then go to your server settings and open the roles section. Here, you can either use existing roles or create new ones. For example, you can create roles like members. Then make another one like moderator and support staff. Once the roles are created, arrange them properly by placing the Ticket Tool role below Moderator and placing the Support Staff role below Ticket Tool, with members at the bottom. After arranging the roles, make sure to save the changes. Now, go back to your server and right-click anywhere on the channel list, then click Create Category. Name this category Support, enable the Private Category option, and click Next. Select the roles that should have access to this category, then create the category. After that, click the plus icon under the support category to create a new text channel. You can name this channel anything you want, then click Create Channel. Once the category and channel are ready, go back to the Ticket Tool website. Now go to Homepage and then click on Dashboard. Here, click Manage on the server where you added this bot. Here, create a new panel by clicking the plus icon. Name the panel Support or anything you want and click Create. After creating the panel, go to the General settings and select the role that should act as the support team, such as Support Staff. You can add additional roles if you want, then save the settings. After that, go to the Category settings and select the support category you created earlier, then save again. Next, open the Messages section and click Edit Panel Message. From here, open the Embed Editor and customize the panel message if you want, or leave it as default. Save your changes, then go back to Panel Configs. Now, click on Send at the top. Choose the support channel and click Send again. Now, if you go back to your Discord server, you'll see the Ticket Tool panel in the support channel. Users can click Create Ticket to open a new ticket, which will create a private text channel for support. And once the issue is resolved, the ticket can be closed by clicking Close and confirming it. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use Ticket Tool on Discord. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.